Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. As you may know, Xiaomi finally released its flagship smartphone Mi Mix 2S. We are waiting for this phone for a long time, and it offers some very interesting features. However, in this video we want to talk about another device. On the same presentation, the Chinese company presented its gaming laptop with the same name, Xiaomi Mi Gaming Laptop. It has powerful specifications and low price as for gaming notebook. So let's make first review of this device because it looks very interesting. Later we will try to get this laptop for full review and unboxing. The link will be in the description. If we talk about design, then Xiaomi Mi Gaming Laptop follows its main idea: minimalistic design, thin body and no stickers. All Xiaomi laptops look similar to each other, and I think it is great. Right now I use Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro as my daily laptop, and it is amazing. I like its metal body, simple design and powerful hardware. So I don't have any doubts about gaming laptop. Of course, Xiaomi Mi Gaming Laptop is thicker than other laptops, about 20.9mm, however it is much thinner than most other gaming laptops. The weight is about 2.7 kg. Another interesting feature of this device is 5 programmable keys. You can easily program these buttons for different games, apps and others. By the way, there is another special key called Tornado. As you know, gaming laptops should have good cooling system. A new Xiaomi laptop comes with 3+2 large diameter cooling pieces inside with 4 area vents. When you press Tornado button, the temperature of laptop drops by 3-5 degrees in about 10 minutes. It is a very useful feature when you play hard games and you cannot take a break to cool the laptop. Of course, Xiaomi Mi Gaming Laptop has Rgb Backlit Keyboard. As for available connectors, Xiaomi provides a rich set of ports such as USB Type-C, USB 3.0, Ethernet, HDMI 2.0, 3.5mm audio jack, and SD card reader. Now let's talk about specifications, because it is the main part of gaming laptops. The device comes with 15.6-inch Full HD display. It has the same screen as Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro has. However, you can easily connect to 4K external monitor and play your favorite games. Mi Gaming Laptop is available in 4 models. I suggest you read specification table on your screen. The basic model is equipped with Core i5 processor and GTX 1050 graphics. Also, it has 8 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard drive. The most powerful model comes with Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, 256 GB SSD and 1 TB HDD. By the way, the laptop is equipped with 2 speakers by 3W from Dolby Atmos. They provide amazing gaming experience and watching movies. As for the price, I already said that Xiaomi Mi Gaming Laptop is cheaper than other gaming laptops on the market. Its price starts from $956, while the most powerful model will cost $1,435. You should note that it is official price, and at the start of sales, the Chinese stores will sell laptops more expensive. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find useful information about laptop and where to buy it cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.